I know all of y'all probably have heard about Kobe Bryant, the helicopter crash. Wow, this is strange. It's devastating news. You know, this Kobe Bryant, 41 years old, had everything going for him. The other day, he tweeted LeBron and congratulated him on breaking his record. And you can look at the back in history, maybe a year and a half ago, even Kobe. I mean, Shaq was talking about Kobe coming back and playing in the NBA again.
What do you think about that result?
Kobe coming back, I heard.
Was that Kobe bring Kobe back too?
Kobe coming back, I heard he was. You heard it here first.
But this is, to me, it's strange. I know things happen, but you turn on the news and you hear things like this, and you start thinking, life it's really short. You don't know. It can take anybody. You can be a multimillionaire, you can be a billionaire, you can be anything. When it's your time, I guess it's your time. So I know this is going to be a big news, probably for the next month, next 2 months, next 3 months. But, they're going to do an investigation. And I know a lot of people talking about who else was on the plane, on the helicopter. It was like 5 different people. I hope it wasn't his daughters, or I hope it wasn't nobody else was on there with him. But eventually they're going to do their investigation, and it'll come out maybe today or maybe tomorrow who else was on the plane, on the helicopter. I know I keep saying plane, but it was a helicopter. And this is a video below of the crash itself, of the helicopter burning. But like I said, life is short. Everybody, enjoy your time here on this earth, because you don't know when it's going to be your last moment. So I'm just reporting this. I'm pretty sure you're going to see 1,000 other videos on this, and you can leave comments below and let me know who was if it was somebody else on the helicopter, who was on it, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching.